19k BTC? I hope not. But I feel like we're not in the true bear yet because we first have to hit 100,000. I feel like that's a goal we have to hit first before we can hit our true bear. But that's just a prediction. I'm just throwing a number out. Don't take this as financial advice. This is just what I think is going to happen. As in just throwing a number out, just what I believe. So don't do what I do. Yo, what's up? Okay, so this section is called GPU mining profits as of today. And today's date is May 23rd of 2021. And the price of Ethereum is around $1,923.82. Now, last week, the price of Ethereum was at $3,439.03. And checking out the difficulty chart, it looks like we're around 7,912.085 terahashes. And checking out the block rewards, it looks like we're averaging around 3.824 ETH per block. And really quickly going over this chart, this is the GPUs. On top is AMD, on bottom is NVIDIA. This is the MSRP for each of these GPUs. This is what the GPUs are mining, which is Ethereum. This is the hash rate you should be expecting for each of these GPUs. This is how much power your GPU should be pulling. This is the efficiency, which is the hash rates divided by the wattage. This is how much you're making last week per day before electricity. This is how much you're making this week per day before electricity. This is how much I pay in electricity costs, which is 10 cents per kilowatt hours. And this is how much you're earning per day after electricity if you pay 10 cents per kilowatt hours. And this is the percent of change. And it looks like our profits did decrease about 31 to 32%. So if you just scroll over a little bit, you'll see the price I'll shoot for each of these GPUs. Right next to it, you'll see the MSRP again if you wanted to compare. And this is the best case hash rates for each of these GPUs. Now it is Silicon Lottery. So if you don't get the best case hash rate, you may be on the lower end, closer to the worst case hash rates. And this is the best case power your GPU should be pulling. And this is the high end power draw, just in case maybe if you forgot to decrease your power limit or undervolt your cards. Okay, so now going over the most popular GPUs. For the 570s, 580s, you should be making around $2.25 a day before electricity. For the 5700 XT, you should be making around $4.19 a day before electricity. And for the Radeon 7, you should be making around $6.74 a day before electricity. And for the NVIDIA side, starting with the 1660 Super, you should be making around $2.25 a day before electricity. For the 2080 Ti, you should be making around $4.23 a day before electricity. For the RTX 3060 Ti, you should be making around $4.60 a day before electricity. For the RTX 3070, you should be making around $4.68 a day before electricity. And for the RTX 3080, you should be making around $7.42 a day before electricity. And for the RTX 3090, you should be making around $9.27 a day before electricity. And if you just scroll down a little bit further, you'll see the RTX 3060. And if you're getting 50 mega hashes, you should be earning around $3.71 a day before electricity. And if you're using the regular drivers, you should be getting around 26 mega hashes. So you should be earning around $1.93 a day before electricity. And right below that, you'll see the new NVIDIA CMP HX cards if you did want to check that out. But if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see the best OC settings that I've set for each of these GPUs. Now, it is Silicon Lottery. So if your GPU starts crashing or if there's an issue, try using the safe OC settings first and then try getting it closer to the best OC settings just to get it a little bit more efficient. But overall, it looks like our percent of change did decrease by about 31 to 32%. And the reason why more than likely is because the price of Ethereum did drop. And of course, our block rewards did decrease as well. And the difficulty is still skyrocketing. But let me know your thoughts. And if you didn't want to get the previous week's history, on the bottom, you'll see sheet 2 and sheet 1. If you click on sheet 1, you'll see the previous week's history if you want to check that out. Okay, so last but not least, if you didn't want to grab this sheet, what you want to do is join the Discord. You do have to do a quick CAPTCHA verification. Once you do so, you'll see a couple other sections open up. You'll see a section called rules. Once you're on the section, you'll see this green check mark. Make sure you click on this green check mark. Once you do so, the full Discord will open up. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see helpful info and links. And then once you see this, it'll be in this section right here called Weekly Mining Profits Excel. And it'll be this file right here called Weekly GPU Profits. You think this is a bear market? The definition of bear is we're going down, and this is bearish. So yes, we're in a bearish trend right now. But how long is this bearish trend going to go on for? I don't know. But are you asking how long are we going to stay bearish? I don't think we're like the full bearish mode yet. So I think we are still going to go down, but I feel like we're still going to have another upward. I feel like we're still going to go up again before we go down. But yes, we are in a bearish market right now, but it can reverse. Don't get me wrong. It can definitely reverse. Are you holding? I'm not just holding. I'm actually gonna buy some more because Ethereum hit 1,800. I was about to buy another like 5 Ethereum because I mentioned this before. I sold a lot of Ethereum when Ethereum was 2,600. So I kind of have a lot of buying power. I can't complain about the prices. 1 year ago, one ETH was $219. So we still big profit. That's what I'm saying. It's basically when you got in. So because if you bought Bitcoin at the all-time high during the last bull market, which was 19,000, 20,000, you should still be up by like 12,000. And I think Ethereum all-time high before was like 1,400. So if you bought all-time high within the previous bull market, you're still up like $400. Is it a good time to buy then? Not financial advice. I can't tell you what to do or what is a good buy or what is a good sell. What I can say is what I'm doing is I plan to buy more. So yes, for me. But people are still stating we're going to bleed more. So if we're still bleeding, it may be best to wait. But that's the thing. How do you know when we're going to stop? Do you know when the bleed's going to stop? Do you know when it's going to end? Crypto's going down hard. That is true. We are pretty bearish now because we did drop about 50% from our all-time high. It is looking pretty bearish now. We could be bleeding out a little bit, but I feel like this is still the bottom or close to the bottom. Wait, so how much further down? 40%? I don't think we hit the all-time bearish market yet. I feel like it's still a little too early. That's why. But that's just my take. Like I mentioned, not financial advice. This should be money you're willing to lose. So hopefully if you need the money, then sell if you have to sell because you need the money. But make sure this is money you're willing to spend. Just think about it. You're putting money in stocks. What's the difference? Because if you look at the stock market, it's down as well. Now, it may not be down like 40%, but still down. So the thing is, of course, big news is coming with Ethereum. So we just have to see what happens with EIP 1559. It may be a little bit too early to tell. But don't get me wrong, we're still bearish because we're down 50%. So we're bearish, but I feel like we could still go up back to the bull. But like I mentioned, make sure it's money you're willing to lose. 19K BTC? I hope not. But I feel like we're not in the true bear yet because we first have to hit 100,000. I feel like that's a goal we have to hit first before we can hit our true bear. But that's just a prediction. I'm just throwing a number out. Don't take this as financial advice. This is just what I think is going to happen. As in just throwing a number out, just what I believe. So don't do what I do.
You show us your portfolio, champ.
Sure. Actually, I'll show you a couple of my wallets. Never talk about your crypto. I mean, I don't mind sharing like some of my holding, but yeah, I kind of don't like to share it all. But I'll show you my Coinbase, my trading wallets. It's on Coinbase. It's recorded anyway, so the IRS will see it anyway. I'm going to show you this wallet. All right, so this is one of my portfolios. Well, this is like the trading portfolio, but right now it has...
Holy shit, you are a long-time investor of crypto. You have had crypto since 2017. That's fucking wild.
Bro, I started mining in March. I got into crypto back in 2017. Didn't put a lot in crypto though, which I should have. But then I put a good amount during the whole bear market. This is basically when I invested a good amount of crypto. But then of course the boom happened in 2017 and I was up like 25,000. And then of course held it all through the bear market and then back up to 70 something. But just be aware, I was buying crypto during this whole time too. So this isn't really correct because this whole time I was buying a little crypto. So it's kind of not correct. But this is one of my wallets. I have another wallet. It's on YouTube. If you see my day trading wallet, oh yeah, my Ethereum wallet. So I think there's like 10K in here or 7,000. So just a bunch of wallets. Oh, and then of course I have my treasure and my ledger, which hold my Bitcoin. Because if you see, all of these are just altcoins. There's no Bitcoins in here. It's all altcoins. So my Bitcoin holdings are in my treasure. All right, anyway, let me log out because I don't want to see my money going down. I got my crypto out of Coinbase. Yeah, definitely get it out of Coinbase. Just have it in there to trade or sell if you want to sell it or trade it. I heard Exodius is good wallet. Exodia is still like a third-party wallet. So I wouldn't put all my money in Exodius. Am I saying it? Exodius. Is it Exodus or Exodius?
Exodus.
Oh, it's Exodus. Man, I can't read. Exodus. I always call that Exodus. So it's still better to get a treasure or ledger because if you don't know Exodus, I finally know how to say that word. I always say Exodus for some reason. I don't know why. The thing about Exodus wallet, it's been hacked couple times. So, I mean, that's the thing. Of course, they learn from their mistakes. So I'm pretty sure it's more secure now. What do you think of Konami? It's the same thing with Exodus. It's an okay wallet. I think I'd rather use Exodus over this one just because I feel like this one has... Doesn't this have like crazy fees? I don't know. Exodia. That's what I was thinking of. Exodia. It's time to duel. Fine, I'm remove all my savings from this Exodus. Now, I'm not saying Exodus is bad. Yo, think it's worth investing in Shiba Inu coin? Shiba Inu coin is more of a gamble. Investing is more putting your money in like Bitcoin and Ethereum because at least it has a project. At least it's doing something. Shiba Inu coin is like you have a chance to make a lot of money, but it's more of a gamble. You can lose it all. So I say if you have money to gamble, it doesn't hurt to put money in any crypto because it should be money you're willing to lose. But if you're putting money in Shiba Inu coin, let's say you have $1,000, put at least $1,000 into like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then maybe put in like $50 of it to Shiba Inu. Yeah, it's risky with those type of coins. What is Bruce Lee's favorite drink? Bruce Lee's favorite drink is water. So it's water. Alright, so thanks for everyone who stopped by. I had a blast and hopefully you guys had fun as well. And if you do have any questions you want to ask me live, I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/thelifeofminer every Sunday 2:30 p.m. US Eastern time. And if you do need any type of help, definitely join the Discord. I or someone knowledgeable will definitely help you out. But before I leave, let's throw some crazy effects. Let's throw a crazy rainbow effect. Let's do a barrel roll. And let's throw some punches. But of course, go out there, keep grinding. Life of the Miner out. Get out of here.